I remember spending thousands on a bathroom remodel, only to install a cheap Whirlpool tub that sounded like a freight train and had jets that barely moved the water. It was a complete disaster that ruined my relaxing evenings. Finding a Whirlpool tub that actually delivers deep tissue relief without leaking or breaking down is incredibly frustrating with so many bad options out there. Today, I am breaking down the top 5 best Whirlpool tubs on the market that I have personally tested. Let's find your perfect Oasis and wait until you see the game-changing features on our number 1 pick. 5. Empava 50 9-inch acrylic corner Alcove Whirlpool Bathtub. When I first got my hands on this tub, I was drawn to the unique corner design, which is a fantastic space saver for those awkwardly shaped bathrooms. Installing it was a relatively straightforward process for a corner unit, and the glossy acrylic finish gave my test bathroom an immediate modern upgrade. It is designed to fit snugly into an alcove, which makes it feel like a custom built-in piece once the tiling is finished around it. The feature set on this Empava model is quite generous for its price point. It boasts multiple adjustable water jets strategically placed to target the lumbar region, legs, and feet. I also really appreciated the built-in chromotherapy LED lighting, which cycles through different colors to enhance the mood and create a spa-like atmosphere in the dark. The pump is adequately powered to push water through all the jets simultaneously without dropping pressure across the system. During my testing sessions, I found this tub to be reasonably comfortable for shorter soaks. The molded interior provides a decent amount of support for your back, and the water jets definitely offer a relaxing massage after a long day of work. The corner seating arrangement allows for a slightly different soaking posture compared to a standard rectangular tub, which some users might actually prefer for reading or just kicking back and relaxing. However, my experience wasn't entirely perfect with the Empava. While testing, I noticed that the acrylic feels a bit thinner than premium models, which leads to heat escaping faster than I would like during longer baths. 4. Laurel Mountain Mercer. This unit steps away from the corner design and offers a more traditional rectangular alcove installation that fits seamlessly into standard bathroom framing. When I unpacked this tub, the high-gloss cast acrylic immediately felt like a step up in durability compared to entry-level models. It feels substantial and rigid, giving you confidence that it will withstand years of heavy, regular use without flexing or cracking under pressure. Laurel Mountain has equipped the Mercer with a fully adjustable multi-jet system that allows you to control the flow and direction of the water with precision. What I found particularly interesting during my review was the inclusion of a pre-level base. This feature alone saved a massive amount of time during the installation process, as it eliminates the need to mix and pour a mortar bed just to get the tub to sit flat. It also features a textured, slip-resistant floor for added safety when getting in and out. Taking a soak in a Mercer is a genuinely enjoyable experience, largely due to its spacious 60-inch length and 36-inch width. The extra width provides plenty of room to shift around, making it a great option for taller individuals who usually feel cramped in standard tubs. The jets deliver a robust stream of water that effectively targets sore muscles, and the tactile feedback from the controls makes it easy to dial in the exact water pressure you're looking for during your bath. Despite its solid construction, I did run into a few drawbacks while putting the Mercer through its paces. The most glaring issue is the placement of the back jets, which felt slightly off-center for my height, causing the water pressure to hit awkwardly above my lower back. 3. American Standard Evolution. American Standard is a legacy name in bathroom fixtures, and getting to test the Evolution model showed me exactly why they have maintained that reputation. This tub features a clean, minimalist design that works perfectly with almost any interior decor style, from ultramodern to classic farmhouse. The fiberglass reinforcement combined with the acrylic surface gives this tub an incredibly sturdy foundation that simply does not budge once it is dropped into its alcove setting. The standout feature of this tub is undoubtedly the ever-clean surface system. American Standard incorporates a patented antimicrobial additive directly into the piping and the tub surface itself, which inhibits the growth of mold, mildew, and bacteria. This is a massive relief because the hardest part about owning a Whirlpool is keeping the internal plumbing clean. It also comes equipped with 8 fully adjustable hydromassage jets and a deep soaking dimension that allows the water to cover your entire torso comfortably. My time testing the American Standard Evolution was exceptionally positive. The deep soak drain is a brilliant addition that allows the water level to rise a few inches higher than standard tubs before hitting the overflow. Sinking into this tub feels luxurious, and the 8 jets are positioned perfectly to hit all the major stress points along the spine and calves. The EverClean system also meant that even after leaving water sitting in the pipes overnight, the next run was completely fresh and odor-free. This is where the script transitions into much more positive territory, as the Evolution truly delivers on its promises. The pump operates with a smooth, quiet efficiency that allows you to actually hear the water churning rather than the motor grinding. 2. Jacuzzi Signature Collection. When you are testing the brand that literally invented the category, expectations are sky high, and this 60 by 36-inch model absolutely delivers. Right out of the crate, the craftsmanship is undeniable, featuring a brilliantly smooth white finish and a beautifully contoured interior design specifically to match the natural curves of the human body. It is an alcove tub, but it carries the sophisticated aura of a high-end spa fixture right into your residential bathroom. What sets the Jacuzzi Signature apart is its advanced rapid heat inline heater technology. Instead of relying solely on your home's hot water tank, this built-in heater maintains the water temperature perfectly, ensuring your bath never goes cold. It also features Jacuzzi's proprietary Target Pro and Slim Pro jets, which offer a completely customizable massage experience. You can adjust the intensity and direction of every single jet, and the low-profile design of the jet faces ensures they don't dig into your skin while you relax. Getting into this tub is an absolute treat. The ergonomic design supports your neck and back flawlessly, allowing you to recline in total comfort. When you turn on the system, the Target Pro jets deliver a deeply penetrating massage that feels distinctly superior to standard water pumps. I spend hours testing the different pressure combinations, and the ability to maintain a piping hot temperature indefinitely thanks to the rapid heat system completely changes how you experience a bath. You never have to rush your soak. There is almost nothing to critique about this magnificent piece of engineering. The motor is whisper quiet, the controls are intuitive and easy to reach while laying down, and the self-draining plumbing system ensures that no stagnant water is left behind to cause odors. 1. Woodbridge Freestanding Whirlpool and Air Bathtub. While alcove tubs are great, there is nothing quite as breathtaking as a freestanding tub acting as the centerpiece of a bathroom, and this Woodbridge model is a visual masterpiece. Testing this unit was a revelation. The sleek, seamless acrylic design with its sweeping curves looks like a piece of modern art. It completely transforms the aesthetic of any space it occupies, delivering that 5-star luxury hotel vibe right in your home. The feature list on this tub is nothing short of extraordinary. It is not just a standard Whirlpool. It is a dual-system tub featuring both high-pressure water jets and a gentle air bubble massage system. You get a combination of powerful hydromassage jets for deep tissue relief and dozens of air jets lining the floor that release thousands of tiny bubbles to soothe the skin. Furthermore, it comes fully loaded with an inline heater, underwater chromotherapy lighting, and even a built-in Bluetooth speaker system. The soaking experience in the Woodbridge is unmatched by anything else I have tested. You can run the water jets and the air jets simultaneously, creating a turbulent, incredibly relaxing environment that massages every inch of your body. The freestanding design allows for a deeper water capacity, letting you completely submerge yourself. Playing some relaxing music through the Bluetooth speakers while the chromotherapy lights cycle through deep blues and purples creates a sensory experience that completely washes away the stress of the day. This is the ultimate home spa upgrade. Every component, from the hidden stainless steel mounting bracket that keeps it perfectly stable to the pre-installed overflow and drain, is engineered for perfection.